Welcome to a recharging, calming, and renewing stretch routine. In a couple of seconds, we'll begin with a knee to chest stretch. 3, 2, 1. Before we quiet down, knee to chest will improve flexibility, blood circulation flow, and stimulate the digestive system. Now let's be quiet and deep stretch our right leg. Three, two, one. Wonderful. Now gently pull your left knee to your chest to promote relaxation and relieve lower back discomfort that you feel throughout the day. Now let's begin. Three, two, one. Awesome. Now the hip release will help melt away stored stress and tension, reducing overall stress levels. Now let's quiet down and begin stretching. Three, two, one. Now do the same with your other leg. Deep inhale, exhale to release endorphins and improve our body's natural mood. Now let's quiet down and begin stretching. Three, two, one. Awesome. Now the knee to chest will enhance your spine's flexibility and allow our upper body to move in a fluid way without any discomfort. Now let's quiet down and begin stretching. Three, two, one. Now rise and go into a gentle toe touch. Let's stretch the back of our legs, relieving spine tension and encouraging mind and body connection by resting in the present moment. Now let's quiet down and begin stretching. Three, two, one. Stomach down to a quad stretch. Now let's relax, lengthen, and soothe our leg muscles. Deep inhale and exhale to boost your mood. Now let's quiet down and begin stretching. Three, two, one. Lovely. Now let's switch sides to ease tension, enhance our flexibility, and calm our nerves. Let's quiet down and begin stretching. Three, two, one. Great. Now going into a gentle double quad stretch, to ease tightness, improve posture, and relieve discomfort that you may feel from sitting down or even standing up. Now let's begin. Three, two, one. Our last stretch is the downward dog to relax our shoulders, stretch our calves, and increase a sense of calmness. Now let's quiet down and begin this last stretch. Three, two, one. Congratulations on completing this session. Welcome the benefits of your boosted mood and keep moving towards your best self. Well done, and I'll talk to you all next time.